Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing how to make rice milk for your hair growth. This rice milk will make your hair healthy, soft, nourished and aid faster hair growth. It contains a lot of vitamins and minerals. So if you don't like the smell of rice water, make rice milk for your hair. And stay tuned to find out how I make this. This rice milk, you need rice. Feel free to use any rice of your choice. So I'm going to wash the rice to remove any dirty or dust. When I'm done washing the rice, sieve to remove the water. Sieving out the water from the rice, I will add some water and allow the rice to soak. After about 3 hours of soaking the rice, I'll be adding the rice into a blender. I'll be making use of the soaked water that I got from the rice. Feel free to remove the water. A method on how to make your rice water, like boiling the rice and blending it, but I prefer using the soaking method. I'll blend the rice into a smooth puree. I'm done blending the rice. I'll be using chiffon cloth to sieve the rice milk. I will pour the rice milk into the chiffon cloth and allow to sieve. I'll press the chiffon cloth to make sure that I get out all the rice milk. You can see the particles that I got from using the chip cloth to sieve the rice milk. You can use this as a scrub. Finally, you can see how easy it is to make the rice milk. This rice milk is very good. You can use it as a conditioner to detangle, straighten or repair any damaged hair. As we all know, rice milk has a lot of benefits. You can also use it for your skin. It will help to brighten and remove any age spots on your skin. But in this video, I'll be showing how to apply it on your hair. Store the rice milk in a spray bottle because of the consistency and for easy application. Put the rice milk on a clean washed hair, making sure that it touches all the parts of your hair. This rice milk is so good. It will help to soften and detangle your hair and also help to promote hair growth. Leave the rice milk on your hair for about 30 minutes to condition your hair, then you can rinse after. I hope that this video is helpful. Thank you all for watching.